how to make perfect salmon popcorns in your air fryer. I'll show you delicious recipe. I'll show you this fantastic flavorful recipe. How to flavor your salmon popcorns, right? Here I have salmon fillets. Look at this. This is not frozen. This is fresh. So this is skinless. There's no skin to it. So these two are 340 grams. So I have two of them. Approximately we are dealing with 700 grams of salmon. And we will take out our fillets from the bag. So this is our meat chopping board. All right. So we'll place our fillets right now, right here. Just like that. All right guys, so beautiful 4 fillets of salmon. So you have to get it which is skinless. Okay, this is the trick for it. Once you get it, we just have to make cubes now out of these guys. So cut, just a rough cut, so you know you're dealing with the cubes, just like that. Look at this, so beautiful looking. All right, and just cut it from the middle. Here you go. One cube should look like not more than 1 inch. All right, so there's a fish bone. You don't need fish bone in our popcorns. Right, so we are done with cubing out. All right, let's flavor them now to the perfect taste. For that, use carom seeds, okay? 1 tablespoon. This is onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Crushed red chili, 1 whole tablespoon. This is not super spicy one, it's just for the flavor. Garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, crushed coriander, 1 tablespoon, and of course some salt, 1/2 tablespoon on it. All right guys, once you do that, take cornstarch. Okay, we will add at least 2 tablespoons of cornstarch on top of this. This is the secret. All right, here you go. This is white distilled vinegar. Okay, we will add at least 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Use, yes, and just mix all these ingredients. So every popcorn has a layer on it of all the seasoning what we made. I'm doing this everything right on top of our chopping board. Oops, don't jump out. Look at this. So this is how it should look. Every piece has ingredients, and the cornstarch help it. All the flavors, all the seasoning, they stay right on top of it. This is our air fryer from the Ninja. So it's at 390 degrees at least for 20 minutes, and we will turn it on. It's preheating, let it preheat. In the meantime, 5 minutes, our popcorns are just sitting right here. Delicious salmon popcorns in our air fryer. It's been 5 minutes, our air fryer is ready. It's telling us to add the food. All right, so this is what you see. We will take butter spray and we will butter spray all at the, we will make a beautiful layer of butter spray. And now we will just grab our popcorns and we will just land it independently. We will try our best. Just land these guys right here. So all the surface, all the edges gets evenly cooked. Butter spray, just a tiny layer on top of this. That's enough. Let's cover this and we will check back on these guys after 12 to 15 minutes and I'll show you how does it look like. All right guys, no more talking. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Look at this beautiful popcorns in here. Wow man, the fish popcorns. All right, so look at just one piece right now. This is what it looks like. It's actually done. So easy to make, full of flavor, yummy recipe. Okay, I'm just making sure they are all separate at this time. Okay, so the ones they are sticking together, just make sure they have some, you move around them so they know they have to be independently cooked. Let's give them another 5 more minutes. We want the crunch, right? It's been exactly 20 minutes, guys, so here you go. This is our beautiful salmon popcorns. They are deliciously ready. Yes, sir. Let's dish them out, right here. Easily done. They will be carrying a lot of flavor. This is protein-packed snack you can make at home under 30 minutes of your time. Look at this. You can listen to the crack. Look at this. Yeah, huh? And some days you're like, I want something in a protein, right? So why not do that? Delicious recipe. Subscribe the channel. Like this video if you like it. I'll see you guys on the next one. And here's the close-up shot for this beautiful salmon. Okay, let me tell you about this. I'm using this sauce. You can get a tartar sauce. Taste test. All the way cooked, steaming hot. OMG. I should wait, right? Alright. Dip it in the sauce. Perfect. Crunchy. The crunchies have more flavor. Yes, sir. Enjoy this easy, simple, delicious recipe, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.